Right, YouTube, so this is just a little cheeky episode. I forgot to compare the weight of the new suspension versus the old suspension. So I'm just going to do that now so we can see whether I've gained weight or lost weight. Right then, how much do I weigh today? 109.4. Let me write that down. So I'm just going to do one front and one rear again. 119.9. So I've just had a quick look back through my unboxing video and seen I've actually saved 2.6 kilos across all four corners. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. I was expecting them to be about the same, to be honest. So 2.6 is pretty good. Mustn't grumble about that. So that was a nice quick video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Chuck a comment down below. And I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.